Okay, so this style is similar to the last style because of course we're gonna use what we can, and if we don't have to part, why part, you know? So I'm about to just section off my bangs again. Yeah, my hair needs some TLC. And I'm about to do it in sections. So I'm going to rehydrate this section, and then braid them back down, and then ponytail them because I wanted some curls. Like the buns were giving, but I need a little more. So that's what I'm about to do today. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and keep coming back because all month, not all month. It's not all month because May definitely has 31 days in it. But I'm only doing 30 days because my birthday is May 30th. So yeah, I'll show you guys how I shoot the style, and yeah, come along with me. Okay, so I got both sides moisturized. Now I'm about to work on my bang pieces. Of course, I just wet my face. Wet them, and I'm using the leftover moisturizer on my hands and just twisting them up. I'm more than likely gonna leave them like this, but if I do need to, I will go back and retwist them. But I'm just more so just trying to get the moisture in it. It's dripping down my face, y'all. It's dripping down my face. I said dripping down my face. It's dripping down my face. Dripping down my face. I'm about to do my edges off camera and then I'll be back. Okay, so now we are done. Edges, bang pieces. Now for the fun juicy stuff. So make sure that you brush those edge pieces in. I'm not using gel because I'm trying to refrain from using gels for a lot of my styles because I just feel like that's more like gunk being put on my hair that I have to wash out. Like I can't just sit there and restyle my hair the way I want to and have the freedom to restyle my hair the way I want to with a lot of gels. So now I'm braiding. done with the braid. Now we're gonna get our, actually, I wanna use a rubber band. Where is my rubber band? Where are my rubber bands? Where are my rubber bands? Okay, so get a rubber band. The reason why I'm using a rubber band is because I don't want it to be like very, very noticeable. I want my hair to just curl, go from like braid to curl. So I rubber band that little end piece kind of like at the nape of the braid. And then fluff this out. And then I did the same for the side. And this is just a cute, flirty style. Like, you can't tell me this is not cute. And I used to do it when my hair was shorter. So it is obtainable on shorter hair. I'm at like that mid awkward length, I want to say. Well, no, I feel like I'm mid. I'll just say mid. I think I passed my awkward stage. I think. This is what it looks like as of right now. And I'm really feeling it because I just feel like a curly girly. Like, you see the curls, they're curly. You see the braids, they're keeping everything neat at the top. And my bang pieces. So all these styles, more than likely, you're gonna see the bang pieces because that's what I'm rocking. And it just gives me a sense of like individuality and just kind of like makes me feel like I'm just putting a little pizzazz, a little creativity into the mix. So if you're new to this segment of May, I'm also showing you guys how I do this hairstyle with the scarf. So that's what I'm doing right now. I have my scarf. She's beautiful. And I'm gonna fold her actually half and then one more time. Yeah, that's better. Put her as far up as I can. Tie my ears. Get my hair out of the way. And I tie it twice. And we are done. So you guys saw no scarf and scarf. That's what I'm bringing to you guys this month. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and keep coming back because 30 days straight, you guys are gonna get a new hair tutorial. Love you guys.